Good day, traders. This is Jason here again from Divergence Trading. It's been a while since I've done a video because I had 3 strokes. Yeah, not one, not fucking two, three. 3 of them, man. And it really, messed me up. What can I say? I can barely walk now because of it, and I don't know if I'm gonna fucking heal up or not, Mode Z motherfucker. But it is what it is. So I'm here trying to do a video and show you a few setups. Okay. So here we go. So where did this sucker open? I got to take this off. There it is. There's 8 o'clock right there. 1500, which is 8 o'clock, and there, whatever. Now, if we go and get a line drawer, I don't know, whatever you want to fucking call it. So let's see if I can still do this. I don't know. Okay, right there like that is that one. And this one right here. I would share the whole experience with you guys of strokes and what can happen, but it's really not good. It's really ugly. It gets real ugly real fast. And all that I can say is I hope it doesn't happen to any of you. I think it's the worst thing medically that has ever happened to me, is this stroke. And yeah. Okay, do I have the... yes, I do have the... See, I'm so groggy and fuzzy right now. I just... I almost don't know what I'm doing here. That's how crazy this is. Let's put an arrow on this sucker. No, right here. Right here. Okay, so it would have been coming down. Your entry would have been at 10 after 9. And it went up how much? It went up 15 points. Whoop-dee-doo. 15 ticks, whatever you want to call it. That's what it went up. Whether you could have did a little scalp in here and got some, you would have been good. Now, there's no divergence here from here to here. Okay, because this is lower than this one, when it needs to be the exact opposite. So then we had a rally, and that happened from 1630. And how much did it go up totally? 89 points, 89 ticks. You could have got something out of there, and then they crashed it down. This is the 1 minute time frame, okay? Anyway, for having 3 strokes like I did, it's amazing I can talk this good and still, you know, I'm a little fuzzy here, but it's a miracle. I've even had specialists tell me they can't believe how good I can talk and that I have movement in both my legs, but not really, like I can walk around with the walker, but that's about it. It's it's a mess, man. Holy motherfucker, it's a mess. Okay, so we got a double bottom right here, and this was the divergence right here. Okay, and we would have entered right here. It's going to be a little slow today. I'm sorry. Went up 47 ticks or points or whatever, and your stop, if you were trying to hold this or do this trade, would have been 38 ticks. Okay, 38 points right to the bottom. That's where you always put your stop, at the swing low if you're buying it, and you always put it at the swing high when you're selling it. Anyway, divergence never stops. It keeps going. It keeps on going. I'm sure if I look back on the charts, I could point out a whole bunch of divergence setups just like before, whether I was here or not, whether I could walk or not, whether I could talk or not. Okay, so here's another trade right here. Okay, then we had there is, but let's see. From here, Yeah, there is divergence here. Double bottom. Let's mark it on there. Okay. There it is, the double bottom. And this here would come out from here, go like this. You would have been a buyer in here. Right there, you would have been a buyer, and it didn't go very far now, did it? Your stop would have been 25, and it went up 25. And then they did their sideways sidewinder right here, and then they took it up here. Now, the trade I did today, yeah, I'm still fucking trading, a fucking idiot. I probably shouldn't trade. Probably shouldn't trade. But I looked at it like this, and I looked at it. It was on the 5 minute. Yeah. It's right here, I guess. No, did I do that trade? Let me look at the 5 minute. Yeah, I did the trade here, and it went up, and I took my profit up here. It's from a double bottom here, and it went up a bit. Yeah, I took profit there. And then I got in this, you know, once you see the market moving compared to, you know, the past hour or so, you see these big moves, you go, okay, got to get in. It's not even a big move. Like, look at how lame this market is now. It's only like 76 points here. It's like a joke. Anyway, I got short in here real quick, and boom, I took it. So I did good for today, 200. So those are the trades. I always trade 1 minute or 5 minute. Okay. Let me go back here. Yeah, there was no buy off of here. I did the sell, and the sell was based on this here. Let me grab another line. Look at how long it's taken me to do one fucking chart with a couple trades. Oh my God. I am sorry for my slowness, but you got to understand I just had 3 fucking strokes. And I just got back home yesterday, and here I am looking at the market again. But anyway, we had a double bottom here. Or, no, we draw it from here. Lower lows, okay, and something like this. It's a little sketchy, but yeah. Once you've seen this candle bully up and buck up, and it closed right there, this is where I bought, and it went up, and I took some profit there. And I did some profits in here after the big moving candles compared to the hour before that. I sold in here, and down it went, and I got it. And I got my quota for today, and that's it. I stopped, okay? So let's go quickly look at other markets. The S&P probably looks very similar to the NASDAQ. See, we have a double wick top right here, but I'll draw it from here. At first, if I drew it from here to here, it's a double top. See right there, and you would have got short right there. But it didn't really line up so well on the OSMA. Oh yeah, I still remember the name of the fucking ma. Fuck. Oh, what a life to get strokes. Oh my God. I guess there's only one thing that's worse than strokes, a heart attack. A heart attack probably kills most people. Anyway, I had some blood clots, and the way they went, and this is what happens. And I know where I got the fucking blood clots from. So anyway, we had a sell right there. That's okay. I don't want to live till I'm 80 or 90 years old anyway. It's too fucking old. Like, my mom lived till 96, and when I was in this hospital where I was getting, you know, treatment or whatever, I guess you could say, and I was the rehabilitation center I was at. I was learning how to walk again and stuff. There was a lot of people in their 80s and 90s there. Very old people. So anyway, we had We had a fake out over here. Let me show you on this, the S&P. We got lower lows, and nowhere it goes. That's what happened with that. Lower lows and nowhere to go. It went up a little bit. Okay, if you would have did a little scalp here, and then they fucking rammed it down through people's fucking teeth. That's what they did. So this really sucked here. Today really sucked. I watched one streamer, they lost today. I'm glad I didn't lose. Okay, let's go look at the Dow now. What is it? Fucking, oh, it looks very close to the S&P. It's a 5 minute. Same fucking thing. We'll mark it quick. 1, 2, 3. 3 amigos. The 3 amigos. And 1, 2, 3. There's your divergence. Let me put an arrow on there for you. Right there. If you would have sold it, you would have done good. It went down like 100 and whatever points, 180 or whatever. Let's look at the pound dollar quickly. Oh, pound dollar, not too good. What about the 15? Well, here we had a lot of these. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. We had a lot of those. Higher close, sell it, and down it goes. 1, 2, 3, bang, bang, bang. This was the UK session where it rallied up here, okay? We trade the USA session, New York session. Let's look at the euro. Oh, very fucking fake out choppy euro. Wow. And it went nowhere. 25 fucking points. Oh, there was a trade here. Not that I would trade the fucking euro, but I want to show you euro traders. See, like that. See if I can get in a quick rhythm again. Not really. My hands and arms are fucked up. So if you would have sold it here right away, you're a quick thinker, double top. See, right there, it's a divergent. You would have sold it right in here, and the maximum came out of that was only 16 pips because it's the fucking euro. I don't trade the fucking euro. Let's see, pound yen. Let's look at the 5 minute. There was divergence. Come right across all these tops here. You would have sold it here. Didn't go down far, eh? Look at that, 11 pips. And then it came back up and... What a joke. Oh, then it went down 60 pips, almost. But the entry was right here. Your stop would have been right here. If you got in and you didn't freak out when it went up here and come back down again, you would have done well. Okay. Double bottom. Let me get this last arrow on here, okay? Right in here somewhere. You would have bought it. It's still going up. There's 40 points right there. 40 pips, pound yen, euro yen. I think I went a bit blind from this fucking stroke. I think I fucking need my glasses, a new prescription for my fucking glasses. I don't know. I can't see things as good and I got my glasses on. I think I need to fucking change it. I wouldn't be surprised. A stroke really fucking does you in, but they say if you lose some of your vision, it comes back after a few days, but it's been more than a few days. On April 9th is when it happened. And we're now May what? May the 14th. So it's been over a month. Okay. I don't see any divergence up here. We have higher highs, but we don't on the OSMA. So this is the 15-minute time frame. Maybe I should try the 5. Okay. Double top. Here's one right here. Oh. Yeah, that's divergence, man. That's fucking divergence. Right there. And it came down 28 bips. Down here, yeah, I guess you could call it one. I don't know. As soon as it went up into here, you could have bought it up. Buy the dip, sell the rip. Okay, so that's euro yen. Then we had oil. Oil had a double top right up here, and it was a good trade. But what's today? Today is Wednesday, isn't it? Yeah, it's Wednesday. That's the fucking oil supply fucking, that's the news fucking spike. Don't know if you were able, well, you had 5 minutes to jump in this trade somewhere and take it down. And then it went right back up again. Yeah. It's fucked up. Let's look at gold. What did gold do? Gotta bring it back to see. Oh, we had a big fucking sell-off of gold. Like, we're talking $584 fucking sell-off on gold. Huge sell-off. So once, if you did recognize you're in a downtrend here, higher close right there. Is that a higher close? No, not really, right there. Sell it, down it goes. Higher close. Sell it, and down it goes. And there's another one there. Right here after this pin bar, upside down pin bar. Right there, you would have sold it, and down it goes. So we did gold on there, did good on gold, yeah. And then Bitcoin, whatever. What's Bitcoin doing? Just going sideways on the daily. What about the weekly? The weekly, it's bullish. It's coming back up to the $111,000 high. Bitcoin, that's pretty good. And XRP did rally up. It's pulling back right now. But it did rally up good in the last week or so. It rallied up 55 cents, half a dollar. It was good. Yeah, still good. So that's pretty much it for the trade setups today. I hope I didn't bore you in the way I'm talking. I might be talking a lot slower. I don't know. So let's cut her to the end. So I'll be back again tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.